Guys, welcome back to LPS Family. Sorry I have the light on, so I have better lighting. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clear slime. So what you're going to need is actually clear glue. Depends how much glue you want. I'm going to use 3. You're going to need baking soda. Eye contact solution. It has to be a good one. I prefer this one for you guys. Something to mix in and something to mix. Something to mix with and something to mix in. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So, I'm sorry you guys hear stuff in the background. So actually, I should get all of these open when I'm done with this one. I'll be right back when I'm done with that. Okay guys, so what I like to do is fill them up with water and then put it in. And you also need water for this. And mix it up. Okay, so I'm done mixing and I'm just gonna add a little bit of baking soda. And mix it all. Okay, now I'm going to add some of my contact solution. If it's not really clumping up, then you're going to need more baking soda. Okay, so mine is kinda starting to clump up, then that means more. So yeah, I'll be back when it's clumped up. Okay guys, so it's starting to clump up. So what you're going to do is just keep mixing until you feel like it's how you want it. And I'll be back when how I want it to be. Okay guys, so this is my slime. I know it doesn't look clear, but what you have to do is wait about a week for it to be clear. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. So you're gonna have to wait about a week, as I said. So it will clear up because the bubbles. So yeah, hope you guys like the video and comment, subscribe, and like. So yeah. Hope the video helped you out, and yeah. Bye.